Seeing a P2094 code pop up regarding the B-camshaft position actuator on bank 2 can instantly make you worry about major engine damage, but often the solution is simpler than you think. This code specifically means the engine control unit, or ECU, is seeing a low voltage signal in the control circuit for the exhaust camshaft on the side of the engine opposite cylinder number 1. It is a mouthful, but essentially your car is struggling to adjust the timing of the engine to match your driving speed, which is why you might be experiencing a rough idle, poor acceleration, or even a vehicle that refuses to start. Before you panic and think your timing chain is snapped, there is a golden rule for this specific code. Check your engine oil. The variable valve timing system relies heavily on oil pressure to physically move the actuator. If your oil level is dangerously low, or if the oil is old and full of sludge, the actuator cannot move, and the computer throws this code thinking the electrical circuit has failed. So step number 1 is always to check the oil level and condition. If the oil is fine, then you need to grab your multimeter. You are looking for loose connections, corroded pins, or damaged wiring leading to the camshaft solenoid. These wires often run near hot engine parts and can get melted or rubbed through. If the visual inspection passes, you will need to test the solenoid itself for resistance using your multimeter. If it reads as an open circuit or 0 ohms, the solenoid is dead and needs replacing. Another thing to keep in mind is the timing itself. If you recently had a timing belt or chain replaced, this code could indicate that the components were slightly misaligned during installation. However, do not make the rookie mistake of replacing the expensive ECU or the sensors immediately. In the vast majority of cases, this issue traces back to dirty oil, a bad solenoid, or a simple wiring fault. By methodically checking the fluids and the circuit integrity first, you save yourself time and money, ensuring you're fixing the root cause rather than just the symptom.